Hey folks, guess who? Yeah, it's Mark again from Inbound Revenue. We're Google, I can't say it, a Google Ads agency. Reach out to us if you need any help with any of your Google Ads for your clients or for your own company. We do white label and we do everything. We offer a full range of Google Ads services. This is a part of our Atlanta pool, or our local competition niche for Google Ads. So we're looking at Atlanta, the city of Atlanta. The service is pool service. These are the keywords that we use: pool service, pool maintenance, pool service near me, pool cleaning service, pool cleaning service near me. Let's see how competitive it is. As always, we run these for an entire day, 24 hours. Boy, it's not very competitive. Some of these overnight hours, there's hardly anyone running. At the max, you've got 8 advertisers. Let's see. Take a look at search competition. Okay, one person is the clear leader. Couple, 2, 3 come in close. Let's take a look at who is running the most ads. And we'll take a look at the top 2. So Sweetwater Pools is the top advertiser in the Atlanta area for pool service. Let's take a look at their ads. Atlanta Pool Maintenance, weekly service with us. I like they're trying to pitch the weekly service right in their ad copy. They've got extensions. Do they have any offers? No $50 off for first time, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's take a look at their landing page. And now that's, okay, so it's part of their website, but at least they have a form right here. Wish they had a bigger number than that. Web designers, come on, man. Yeah, it covers everything that needs to be covered. That's not bad. Let's take a look at the number 2 advertiser. That would be the Pool Butler. And let's take a look at their ads. The Pool Butler, pool cleaning, Pool Butler, pool cleaning service. Pool Butler. Okay, awesome sauce. I love it. Nothing special, nothing terrible. They're very clear about what they offer. They have extensions. They have no offers, really. Let's take a look at, looks like it's sending it right to the homepage of the website, which I don't love. It's cute, but I don't like it for a landing page because it doesn't have the things that you want on a landing page. Let me get this image off my screen. Yeah, it doesn't have everything you're looking for in a landing page. I got a kid look at me. Love your pool. Cute kid. But yeah, I would rather land on this page or on an actual, oh no, that's just FAQs. Yeah, we need a landing page. You guys are going to perform better if you get a landing page. So based on this, the pool service business is wide open in Atlanta. So if you're in the pool service business, I would definitely run some Google Ads. You're going to get some leads, and you can easily beat out the competition. If you want advice on that, just reach out to us, Mark Kelly at Inbound Revenue, anytime, or just drop some comments below. Anything interesting? If there's anything you want us to cover that I don't cover on here, just let me know. I'll cover it, man. Talk to me.